In today's video, let me show you how to fix Instagram cannot pin post to profile. So if you're having issues pinning one of your posts to your profile on Instagram, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that these slots are available. So if you have already pinned 3 slots, or if you already pinned 3 posts or reels already, then this is the exact issue that you're facing. So in this situation, what you need to do is unpin one of your older posts and then try to pin the new post. So this is the exact issue that you're facing, and once you do this, your issue will be fixed. But however, if this is not the case with you, then in this situation, what you can try out is try to clear out the Instagram cache. Just tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear data option and then tap on clear all data. What this does is it will delete all of the corrupted files as well as log you out of your Instagram account. So once you complete this step, log in back to your account and try to see if the issue is fixed. Even after doing all of these steps, the issue is still not fixed. Then what you can try out is try to wait out a couple of hours, because this is likely due to the Instagram server side issue. So just wait out a few hours before you try to pin the post again. I do hope this kind of video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.